Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minutes. GDP came in at 4.1% as expected. You have the S&P and the NASDAQ giving up overnight gains. Really, that Amazon led the pre-market up more than 4% at one time, and those gains are cut by more than half right now. Twitter was an early sentiment changer. They're down nearly 20%, around 18-19% right now. The S&P could not get out above that resistance level we talked about in the Morning Express, 28.49. We said there is no value up there. If you are long, you need to be trading against that. Look for a move back to this 28.33 as first key support. We have major 3-star support below there, 28.27. This is the area you want to buy that first test. Be cautious, though. You don't really want to see this get taken out. We don't think it's going to really fall below here, but what we could end up finding is a low volume end of the day session and it settling in right around here. But really, you're going to see, we expect to see one bounce off of this, and it's a matter of if it can sustain that and really get back above 28.39. So these are some of the levels we're watching. Give us a call to talk about those. Crude oil is giving up some of its gain. Another fail against major 3-star resistance. So we're seeing it settle back near 69 bucks. You do not want to see crude oil get below 68.88. The sellers will try to take it lower if that happens. What we really like today, though, is the dollar is starting to stall out. The dollar index itself failing against the midway 50% of the recent range, that high last week, the low we saw yesterday, the day before yesterday. We're now stalling in the middle of that range. It's helping gold. Gold is starting to see a bid off of early morning lows. That GDP in line with expectations. It was like sellers came in ahead of it in case that thing came in around 4.4, which would have been the top end of expectations, or came in really hot. So you're seeing repositioning in gold. You're seeing some of the other currencies find stability. The Aussie's back above 74. The Canadian dollar up against major 3-star resistance at 76.70. Watch those today. Gold, the Aussie, and Canadian, all very interesting. Potentially to see gains extend, and then that euro, if it can get back above 117.30, should see further stability. Again, give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board here to finish out the week. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.